that it's uni. It's not uni. It's Yuri. It's R. Just saying. Uy, ang OA. I'm so nervous, guys. My name is Yayang. Oh, hi, Yayang. Your name is so cute. Yayang. My nickname is Yan Yan. In real life, my nickname is Yan Yan. Yan Yan. It's like that. It's so funny. It's so funny. It's cute and funny at the same time. Hi, TSJ. Did you already eat dinner, Azana? Like the snack, Yan Yan? Is there a snack named Yan Yan? Wait, okay, take your time. Do I look good or not? I'm so anxious that I don't look good. We're gonna 7:50 10 minutes. I'm cooking so I can focus. Okay. Um Continue cooking. Take your time. Just listen to me. Listen to me. Always look good. You're the best. Thank you, Azana. Asna. Thank you, Asna. Just finished my dinner. What did you have for dinner? Me too. I just finished dinner. I have spaghetti. Manok. Wow. Manok. That is uy. I ate manok too. Manok and spaghetti. You must remember my name. Yes, I will. I will. Yes. What are you cooking right now, Yayang? What was that? What do you mean, what was that? You can't hear my voice because it's crowded where I. Ah, you can't hear my voice. Okay, that's okay. Just take your time. Take your time cooking. Is it what it is, yo? What's up, every good girl? Where are you from, Jasmine? Jasmine. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. Nervous system. Na 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 na. Yeah, 7 minutes. 7 minutes. I'm so nervous. Mada, hello. I'm so nervous. Oh my God. Kinakabahan. Jinwoo, hello. I'm so nervous. Nervous system. Ooh, 5 minutes. Where have you been? Oh, I've been so busy lately. Hi, Ruby. I've been so busy lately because my sister need me. My sister need me. My sister need me to go with her to pay the bills. Yeah, I did follow you back. Sabi na kinakabahan ako. Ayoko na mag-PK talaga. Ayoko na. Hi, Smiley. Sydney, hello. Grabe yung pila sa ano. Grabe yung pila kanina sa bayaran ng tubig na para bang ayaw na kami pauwiin. Huy, Ruby. Kain na lang natin ng spaghetti yan. Kit Kat, hello. Seryoso yun. Huy. Um, hindi ako ready sa ganyan. That's why, lalo na basta. Huy, piste. Ay, PK din ni Ate Dangs. Wait lang ha. Hiramin ko yung isang phone. Diyan lang kayo. I will borrow another phone. So watch. Ashley! Pahiram isang cellphone? Saglit lang. Manonood na ako ng kabilang PK. Dito ba may PK? Si Ate Dams, kasabay ko. Tingnan nyo doon. Tingnan nyo sa GC. Tingnan nyo sa GC. Patingnan mo kay tita sa GC. Hi, Joms. PK din pala ni makiki-chika ako. Kasabay ko pala siya mag-PK. Sakit ng puson ko. Ano yun, buong family mo nagbibigo din? Hindi. Hindi. Hindi ko naman kadugo yung sinabi kong tita kanina. Hindi ko kadugo yun. Basta tita lang tawag ko sa kanya pero hindi ko siya tita. Tita to. Kasi hindi ko siya kadugo. Bla, ba't nandun sila kay Ate Dangs? Why? Nandun sila kay Ate Dangs. PK ko rin naman, te. Ay. Hi, B. Nandun sila lahat sa kabila. Okay lang. Andito naman kayo, guys, eh. Sapat na kayo para sa akin.